welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds everybody well and wonderful, and if you are new, thank you for stopping by, and if you are a returning channel family, welcome home, and I appreciate you guys so much. What I have for you today is a quick little unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. It's from one of my favorite Temu shops, JZQ. So I do have 3 canvases from them that I wanted to open, and so I thought, I was already filming today, so I thought, well, let me do these 3 really quick and get them done. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all well. I will link these down in the description box, so if you want to check them out, you can. This is one of my favorite shops on Temu. I do like their canvases. They're really nice. And I haven't been disappointed yet. Oh my gosh, get over there. What are you stuck on? Oh, not sure what that's all about. Why is this canvas? Alright, I'm sitting here telling you how much I like JZQ. What's up? Here. Let's tear it right here. Oh, I think their glue is just down further than their cover sheet is. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. So they do have poured glue. I think what has happened here is their cover sheet is covering the canvas, but their glue is further down. And it's way up here. I'm going to try to see if I can reposition it without messing up my whole life here for storage sake, because it's going to keep sticking to itself. There. Alright. Let's do this. I don't generally like to take cover sheets all the way off, but I think I'm not going to have a choice here. I'm going to see if I can move it down. Yeah, see, because it's right on the edge here. Alright, so this is a round drill. Poured glue. Let's see. Let me straighten it out first, and then I'll just try to move the whole thing down. So this is a 50 by 50. You can always tell JZQ's paintings because they have this little 99 wreath symbol there at the top. I'm hoping if I get this straightened out, it'll be easy to take the whole thing off and reposition it. You just have to be careful when you do that, because these are not interchangeable. I mean, they can't go either way. You know what I mean? It has to go on a certain way or you'll never get it unstuck. So there's that. Okay. All right, let me see. Yeah, I still need to move it down. All right. Let me carefully do this. All right, cross your fingers, wish me luck, because this canvas is mega sticky. Oh my goodness. I am losing light fast here. It is like today was my filming day, and it is literally a storm. I wish you could see outside the sky is turning ominously black. I definitely think this will be the last video I film today. Okay, I'm going to move this down. And then I can try to straighten it out. Yeah, that's going to be better. Okay. All right. Oh, much better. Oh, thank you guys for holding your breath with me and wishing me luck, because that could have been bad. Yeah, I'm looking outside this window. It looks like it's almost nighttime, and it's not even 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, looks a little scary out there. All right. All right, yay, crisis averted. I love that. All right, let's look at this guy. Oh my God, how cute is that? I love it. I like that bee. Oh, and the one up here at the top. I love the bees. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a little bee butt because he's flying away. There are 22 colors. Show you the colors here. And again, super sticky canvas. And here is the drill field. Go, looks good. Yeah, he's cute. Standard toolkit, blah blah. Not gonna go over it. And look at these drills, all kitted up for you. So if you like to work in batch, you are good to go. You can just get started. And these are round drills, and they look amazing. All right, love it. There's that one. All right, let's see who else we've got here before the storm hits outside. One of the things I like to do when I order from Temu is, you know, if you want to get free shipping from Temu, the thing to do is to try to order whatever you're going to order from the same store, because you know Temu is just like a bunch of different stores all together, right? Like AliExpress or even like Amazon. You know, it's a bunch of different sellers all together. Standard kit, blah. So usually I just try to stick with what I have, like maybe 5 stores that I regularly follow, and whenever I shop, I usually just shop all out of the same store, and I only have to pay shipping once if I have to pay shipping. Usually I get enough that I can have free shipping, so that's how I get around shipping issues. It's all bagged up and ready to go. And again, they do use poured glue, so you can absolutely roll this guy back. There you go. Ye Olde Gardening Shed. Oh my God, that's so cute. I love that. I do like to kind of release these from their paper a bit, from their cover sheet. Yeah, they've been stored like that for a while, I'm sure, and it really helps your canvases lay flat when you just kind of release them and flatten them out. And just be sure that you get all the air out. And if you do that, they will lay flat for you pretty easily. There you go. See, it's already starting to straighten itself out. This one's cute. It's got a lot of confetti though, but that's okay. Don't mind it. And this particular size is one of my favorite sizes to work on. I do. They have this, you know, they're calling this a 50 by 50. I think, honestly, I think the canvas is 50 by 50. The design is probably a little smaller, but it's still enough size that you shouldn't lose a lot of detail in your artwork. Like I can see that I'm still going to be able to read that yield gardening shed. It's going to be easily readable still, okay? And all these flowers and gardening tools. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to lose detail at all in here. I think that's going to look great. Love that. Here is the colors. Sorry, I know, light, sorry. And here is the drill field. There you go. Clean, clean, easy to read. Love that. And these diamonds, of course, look amazing. Okay, last one. We have, oh, let's see, oh, there it is. I can figure out how to get into it. Okay, standard boat, 2 plates of wax, blah. Again, this is a 50 by 50. These are round drills. They are all bagged up and ready to go. It's another reason I like this store. Usually they are already kitted up for you. All right. How cute. Just screams Halloween. But you know, I'm weird. I'll do them. I don't care if it's Halloween or what time of the year it is. I'll do them. I'll do them whenever. I just loved all the colors in here. The colors are so pretty. Their cover sheet is a little on the thin side, so if you are still going to washi tape it and cut it, be careful. Usually for these, like when they're this thin, I just take it all off and I will either use release paper, or honestly, most of the time what I've been using now is non-stick parchment. I actually have some that's already pre-cut in squares, and I'll just use that. Of course, be careful. Though I love parchment, I actually prefer it to regular release papers. But make sure that you have non-stick parchment. Not all parchment is made the same, okay? If you don't have the non-stick parchment, you can make a mess out of your canvas. Trust me. You don't want to find that out the way I did, okay? But yeah. How cute is she? Oh, the sky is going to be gorgeous. So colorful. I love it. Here is the legend. There are 22 colors. And let me get this up here so you can see the drill field. All right, looks good, easy to read. It's quite confetti heavy though. I will link down in the description box. I will put links to these canvases if they're still available. They should be actually, because I just got these like recently, so they should still be available. If not, just check their store out. I'm sure they have plenty of other stuff that is comparable to this. Oh, get this last bit of air out. Oh, there you go. Perfect. All right. So, as we have today, we have little Miss Halloween Witch with her multicolored cauldron. And all those bats, so cute. And we have a gardening shed. That is so cute. I love that too. That's going to be really colorful. And the little bear dancing in the rain. Oh, I love it. Speaking of rain, I think I need to get out of here before it starts storming. So I am going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for hanging with me while I open this for you guys. And I apologize. My lighting was worse than normal today. I apologize. But I do appreciate you so much. Thanks, guys. All right. So you guys have a great rest of your day. Be happy. Be healthy. Be blessed. Be all the great things there are to be. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.